Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to change the oil on a competition style motocross bike. It's quick and easy, only takes a few minutes. Let's get started, I'll show you how it's done. First thing you always want to do is read the owner's manual and follow the instructions on the owner's manual. In this case, they instruct you to first wash the bike, make sure it's clean, free of debris and sand, dirt, mud, whatever around the oil plugs. That's to not contaminate the engine when you break open the seals. Second, you want to always start the bike, let it run 3 to 5 minutes, let all the oils warm up so they break down and drain properly. We have already done that. In this case, I've actually already drained the engine oil, so we're ready to put the plug back in, change the filter, and add a new engine oil and be all done. First thing we'll do, we'll crack, I cracked the drain with a 12 millimeter socket, and right here, and drained it out. Now I'm going to take out the old filter, which is just take an 8 millimeter wrench, get this cover off right here. That inside there is an oil filter. Now you want to be very careful when you're doing this, that you take the old one out and put the new one in exactly as you took the old one out. It's important that it goes back the same way it was taken out. So, tighten that back up. Make sure there's a good seal on it. There's one last step before we reinstall the plug. Your owner's manual instructs you to kick it 5 times to make sure all the oil is completely drained out of the engine. Not to do that. Here comes a little bit more oil in that process. Just a second. Take the dipstick out here, and this is where you actually add the oil, engine oil. That's good enough. It'll sit there and dribble like that for days if you let it. It's important when you reinstall this plug to make sure it's nice and tight. That could be disastrous. If it loosened up on the track and you lost all your engine oil. Be about a $2,000 mistake. It's nice and tight. Alright, now we're going to reinstall the oil. I use a fully synthetic HP4 Honda High Performance 4-stroke motor oil. It's about $10 a quart right here. Takes approximately 1 quart. So we just add this whole thing. There you go. Alright. Wipe the excess away. Install the drain plug. Or the check plug. And you're good to go. And there you have it. That's how you change the oil on a competition style motocross bike.